up, everybody? This is True Food Eats. This is Chef Curtis. Hey, today we are cooking shrimp scampi, my version. So let's get started. Let's have some fun. Here we go. All right, let's get started. Hey, got Italian ziti. So we're gonna put this in there. We're gonna start off with Italian ziti. Let's put it in my hot water real quick. Let's get this going. That's already ready to go. We're gonna bacon. Where my bacon at? We're gonna have bacon. This going into mine. I'll do it a little bit different, and we'll get this started quick. But I'm gonna put a little oil on it real quick. Get this going. Get it seasoning. I got a little special seasoning that I make myself, and it's like a little Cajun seasoning, but it's really, really good. And this is my little version. And if you guys want to learn a recipe, hit me up, and I'll tell you all the stuff I put in it. But it's really good, actually. So we got this going. So let's get the shrimp going. And also, guys, by the way, I have shrimp stock over here. This is my shrimp stock. Got that going. And I got my little pan over here for my bacon. So we're gonna drop this bacon in here first. Get this going. We'll get the bacon cooked off. Get this, yeah, it's getting hot. So we get this cooked off real fast. All right, guys, I'm gonna cook my shrimp off. And that's just my seasoning that I put on there. Yes, like I told you, my version, guys, my version, you know. Let's get this cooked off. Put this in there. Put the garlic in. Get a little garlic, because we making scampi, baby. And you want a nice amount of garlic for the scampi. You know? Otherwise, it's not going to be called scampi. I'll put all of it in there because we want it to be really good. Get all that in there. Get that going. All right. We'll let that go. Get it nice and hot. Let's throw some butter in there. Let's get some butter going, because we're going to hit it up. I don't think I need all of it, but a nice amount. We'll let that melt. Okay, I'll get all of it in there, because we're going to do a lot. Alright, got the butter in there, got the garlic in there. Alright, what else we got to do? Let's throw some wine in there, guys. Let's get a little wine. Nice amount of wine, guys. If we making scampi, that's it right there. Nice amount of wine. Let that come. Let it cook down a little bit. It's gonna cook down a little bit, and that's it. All right. So I got this stock right here. This shrimp stock. Now we're gonna add some shrimp stock to this right here. So I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna add some shrimp stock to it. That should be enough. Give it a nice stir going. So what I'm gonna do is after that go, we're gonna squeeze some lemons in there real quick. Got lemons. Got a lemon right here. That's one. Let's do it. You got one whole lemon should be enough. All right, we're gonna let that come to a boil. Let that build up. The flavor is there, but I'm gonna add a little bit more salt to it. But even though I'm gonna have bacon in it, I'm gonna have a little bit more salt. So, just a little bit more. And it's not gonna be salty because it's really good. So you gotta add a little more salt to it because the stock didn't have a lot of salt in it, and I did that on purpose. So what I normally do is I add a little bit of roux, flour, and it got mixed with butter. So I add some roux into it. That should, and that'll thicken it up. That'll thicken that sauce up right there. And once it thickens, spinach. Cause I got some spinach. I'm gonna add the spinach to it. So I know it's gonna be a little bit different, guys. Like I told you, it's gonna be different. Add that spinach in there. Then I got that pasta. Because the spinach is easy. It's gonna wilt down, wilt down. You see how thick it kind of thicken a little bit? Now you don't have to have it like this, and some people make it a little bit different, but you know, mine's a little bit on the different side. So you know, it's my version, like I told you. Let's put that in there. Let's put that pasta in there. Pasta. We're gonna get it all in there. I think we can get it all. We're just making a lot, so get it all in there. Got that pasta in there. Alright. Move it around, move it around, move it around, guys. Move it around, move it around, move it around, move it around. See how it look? Let's get that shrimp in there. Scampi. Scampi. They're looking good, looking good. And see that color from the shrimp? It's my little recreation. So I'm just letting y'all know, if y'all want the recipe for it, and it's a good flavor, it's really good. So we got that going. Let's get some bacon in there. Let's go a little bacon. Let's throw a little bacon in there, baby. Let's get that, let that pop off. All right, so I'm not done yet. I'm not done. We gotta throw some other stuff in there right now. We got that good. All right, let's get a little parsley in there. Let's go a little parsley in there. Get a little parsley. And then I got these beautiful sun-dried tomatoes that we're gonna throw that in there. Beautiful sun-dried tomatoes. Looks so good, don't it? I told you it's gonna be different. It's gonna be different. And also, I got some nice heirlooms out here in the refrigerator. I'm halfway use them up. Let's throw them in there. All right, all right. There you go. There you go. Now all we do is just move it around, move it around. All right. Everything is all done, guys. So let's plate this thing up. Let's plate this baby up. Let's put it up here. Let's make it look nice. Look how nice it looks. And thick. And man, that looks good. So we just put that in there. Put the shrimp. Like I said, scampi. Shrimp scampi. And if you want to know how to make it, hit me up. I showed you already, but you know what I'm talking about. Let's get all these shrimps in there. Let's get it looking good. Let's get all that goodness. That looks good. Let's get down in there. Let's get some tomatoes on here. Get some of the sun-dried on there. Let's get some of that in there. You know I gotta clean it up. You know that. Got that bacon in there. Got that spinach. All the goodness. Everything looks good. So I think this should be enough. I think I got enough on there. I think I do. One more scoop, and that should be it. And then I just get a little sun-dried, because that sun-dried is good. And then I'm gonna clean it up. All right, guys, my version of shrimp scampi with spinach, sun-dried tomatoes, heirloom tomatoes, ziti pasta. Oh, also, I'll tell you what, I'm gonna add a little Parmesan to go on top, just a little bit shredded Parm, just a little shade. It's just shaved Parm actually. So we're gonna add just a little bit, not too much, just a little bit here, a little bit there, and then I'm gonna try it out. That's all I need on there. Let me try this out. Let me see. See if I did it. Let me tell you I did. I'm trying shrimp. Guys, this is amazing. This is amazing. The lemon, the wine, the sun-dried tomatoes, that flavor from the sun-dried tomatoes. And guys, it's good. It's real good. And also, man, I got that bacon on here, that smoky bacon. Woo, and look at that spinach. The spinach. That looks good. Wow. So guys, if you like this, please subscribe to this channel. And also guys, you know, please, you know, hit that bell at the bottom, and then I'll let you know when I post my next video or things going on. You know, all the good stuff. You know what I'm about to say. You know, come on, y'all already know that. So guys, you know, stay true to your food, guys, and peace out.